So here we are, guys. We're at Sunridge Park here in fabulous Las Vegas, and we're gonna spend the next maybe next hour, and we're gonna try to find 10 targets from our Simplex and Vanquish and see who can win this challenge here out on this field. It seems to be wide open here. We don't have too many people actually challenging us, but the wind is kind of kicking. So I hopefully this GoPro 7 Hero Black has some decent windage that can help us buffer some of the sounds out. So anyways, we're gonna get to it. We're gonna pull our machines out. We're gonna get detecting. Yeah. All right. So what's your first number there? What's the first number you got? 19? Can you go for 19?
Yeah.
Okay, pinpoint it.
Here?
Okay. First find is some foil. Perfect. Uh-oh. You got one. What's the number? 33? Okay, pinpoint it, babe. Let's see it. Walk it back. Okay, walk it back. Okay, you did it. And then you're gonna go ahead and find where. So it's in the plug. What'd you find? Your next one. Okay. Oh, there you go.
A pull tab.
Pull tab. That's your. So you're up a penny and a pull tab on 2 targets. Great job there, Chun-Li. Where is it at? It's in the plug, probably. Keep looking. Maybe it's not that deep. Oh, it's over there on that side. Okay. What'd you find? Uh-oh, I think I see it. What's that? Pull it out. What is it? Oh,
Foil?
nice. Foil. Third target is a piece of foil. Congratulations. Okay. Okay, Mom. All right, pinpoint it. Okay, I think you got it. Okay, so then it's going to be right in front of your toe, right? Okay, great. So we'll go ahead and mute the detector. You got it muted? Okay, set it down. Pinpoint it.
Over here.
Okay, it looks like it's going really fast now. Okay, but is it here or what? Oh, see how fast it got? Okay, so what? Nope. Okay, it's in the clump. You know it's in there. What you got?
Where is it?
Oh, you're on again. You're on another penny. All right. So what? That's target number 4. You got 2 pennies, a pull tab, and a piece of slaw. Good enough. Go ahead. All right. Pinpoint it for me now. Okay, it ended right there. Where did it end? The leaf? Is the leaf it? Okay, try it again. Sweep it over. Okay, and then keep backing it up until it ends. There it is. So the leaf is it, right? Mute your detector, set it down. Okay, and then here. Uh-oh. Wow, that's it right there. Remember I told you come in a little bit sideways? Here, now go ahead and look for it. Okay, it's right there. What do you got? I bet you it's a dime. Let's see. What you got, huh? Oh, what is it? That's a dime, babe. got yourself a diamond. She got a diamond. All right.
A dime or diamond?
That's a well. This is called dirt fishing.
And there's a...
That ain't shit. That's a stick. All right. So looks like I got one right here. Oh, dude, I didn't even have to dig for it. There it was. Boom. Oh, second number is 28. We got to go for that one. Oh, come on. Oh, there it is. Dime. On board. Okay, we got a bouncy signal. 20, 29 this way. 25, 27, 29, 28, 29. We're gonna have to investigate it. All right. So it should be right about here. Okay, it's more back here. I think it's in here. Yeah. Another dime. A dime every time. And right next to it, we got another 26. Let's go for that. Here. Alright. Let's see. Oh, dude. This is what I got. A blue raz vape. Beautiful. Found another signal here. Oh man, this one's all over the place. 22, 18, 19. All right, let's investigate. Well, I knew it was going to be deep. Right here. Oh, all that for a stinking zinkin'. Ugh. What you got? What's the number, babe?
90, 91.
Okay. Pinpoint it for me. Ooh, what you get, Ma? What is it?
A little bigger.
Allah Akbar. What is that one? Quarter? Oh, 25 centavos. L. George Washington. Add that to your stash. Nice job. Nice job, Ma. Now you really pulled ahead of me.
Here.
I'm getting an 11, 12. Oh, gotta invest. Ooh. go. A nice piece of can slaw. Beautiful. Got a 15 right here. Let's take a look. Oh, dude. You gotta grow to love these guys, man. Alright, what's the next one? I already see it's right above your thumb. There. Congratulations. It's not a pull tab, it's some kind of a buckle, huh?
Yeah, like a strap buckle.
Strap buckle. Alright, next one. Okay. So it's down low.
Beyond the roots.
Might be under the root. Sure. Pinpoint it. Oh, that's right there. Oh, that's right there, whatever that is. Fine. A dime. Sweet, you're on board. There it is, right there, right between your two fingers.
Oh,
What is that? It's a nickel? Or is it a penny? It's a copper penny. Alright, that goes into your fines. What's the number on here? 7984? Did you pinpoint it? Okay, there you go. Find it. It's not in the plug, it's in the bottom. There you go, it's right there. What you got? What'd you find? Oh, another dime. Oh, I think you pulled ahead of me, huh? I think you pulled ahead. Proper pinpointing, come on. Okay, back it up. Back it up, back it up. What'd you get, Mom? What is it?
a little bigger.
Allah Akbar. What is that one? Quarter?
Quarter?
Oh, 25 centavos. L. George Washington. Add that to your stack. It's not in the plug, I think it's down. No, in the hole. Lift the plug and in the hole. There you go. Utilize your pointer with it. Pointer with it. Now put that down. Oh, there it is. What'd you get?
Ta-da!
Another what?
A quarter?
A what? An L. George Washington 25 centavo action? Sweet! Add it to your stash, Mom. Alright, so looks like me and Maria have finally got the detectors all packed in. Thanks to the Simplex doing its job today, and the old 540 Vanquish. So let's take a look and see what we got. What you got over there, Mom? Oh, hold on. Let me just get the towel out so I don't get it all over my car. All right. What you got over there?
Ta-da!
2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's your 10? Okay. Here's my 10. Okay, so I got a one light bottle cap. You got a button to fight me, okay? So this is ugly, this is more prettier, so I guess you won that round. I got one pull tab. You got a pull tab? We tied that round. I got a big piece of aluminum. You got any junk with that? Oh, I got a bigger aluminum, so I won that round. How was that? Oh, I have a pull tab.
Yeah.
Oh, I guess you won that round. Okay. Then I have a vape. I got a blue raz vape. What you got?
I got a quarter for that.
Oh, really? Okay, fine. And I got a nickel. What you got for that?
A nickel.
There ain't no damn nickel.
Well.
You got what? You got a dime?
A quarter.
Oh, you want to use your quarter against my nickel? Okay, fine. Just use your dime. Your dime, yeah. Then I got a dime too. What you got?
Another dime.
Oh yeah? I got another dime too. What you got?
A penny.
I got a dime. What you got?
Is this a penny or?
Yeah, it's a penny.
Another one.
And then I got a stinking zinkin.
And the bottom line.
Oh,
is
dude.
a quarter.
All right, so as far as the fines are concerned, I'm gonna have to say, what do you got here? How much you got for money? 25, 35, 45, 46, 47.
All right, say 50, 60, 70,
1, 2,
80,
72.
72.
Yeah, 72. And then I got, I didn't even get no quarters. I got 10, 20, 35, 36. So you beat me on money. And as far as the fines are concerned, it looks like my junk doesn't compare to her trash. So it looks like the winner today is the Simplex. Right on, babe. Good coming out. Good job, Edward. Appreciate your time. Well, everybody, that was it. Thank you so much for coming out and seeing the challenge today between the Vanquish and the Simplex here in fabulous Las Vegas. It's been a windy one here. I don't know where the wind just all of a sudden kicked up, but it fired up on us. We didn't find anything
Precious.
yeah, we didn't find anything precious, but it was a good battle, man. And in the end, it looked like I think she definitely edged me out when it came to money. I think I had what, like 35 cents or something like that. Yeah, so
Not bad for the first time.
yeah, not bad for her first time, really. So, anyways, guys, hey, look, thank you so much for joining us out here with LV702. We had a good time. If you guys got anything out of this and it was enjoyable, please feel free to comment, give us a thumbs up. It really helps us. It doesn't cost much. It doesn't cost any money at all. And hit the subscribe button so we can continue making more of these videos here for you. Thanks again, guys. Be cool. God bless. Stay safe.